Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about WhatsApp tips and tricks. In today's video, I will show you on how to simply reach out or contact WhatsApp support should in case you have any issue with your WhatsApp account or your friend have issue with their WhatsApp account. Let me quickly show you on how to contact WhatsApp support. For that, first thing first, go ahead and open up your WhatsApp app. Have you opened up your WhatsApp app? Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on these three dots from the top. Then go ahead and hit on settings. Then scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on help and feedback. Then go ahead and click on help center. Just like so. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on contact us. And with that, secure chat with WhatsApp answer may be AI generated. Help us improve feedback. What you need to do right here is to go ahead and click on start chat. And with that, a customer support is going to be connected to you. Then from there, you can reach out to WhatsApp support and present whatever issue you might have with your account as far as this is concerned. And your account will be your account issue will be resolved with human without any stress. It's that simple. If you find this video useful, give this video a big thumb up and also remember to subscribe for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.